dish called chicken biryani. It's an Indian dish, but it's a very simplified version of chicken biryani, which is a very complex dish. So I'll go through the ingredients here, what we need for chicken biryani. Of course, let's start with rice. This is basmati rice, soaked in water for last 20 minutes. So we are supposed to soak it for half an hour before we cook it. And here they have salt, turmeric powder, chili powder. That's the canola oil, or you can use the oil of your choice, vegetable oil. And here we have the spices here, they are not powdered. We have cinnamon stick, cardamom, bay leaves, black cardamom, then this is cloves and some green chilies. And this is mint leaves, cilantro, chicken, which is marinated in yogurt, and turmeric powder, chili powder, and salt. And it's been marinated for last 2.5 or 3 hours, close to that. Then you have ginger garlic paste, which is mixed already. Then some chopped tomato, maybe 4 small tomato. Then some crushed garlic. Then you have peeled potatoes and onion, which is around 4 onion. And the final one is the boiled egg, which is already boiled there. Let me start with the cooking. Put some vegetable oil or the oil of your choice. Switch on the thing. You wait until the bowl is warm before you start putting the oil. So this pretty much depends on your own choice, preference, how much oil you want to put. So once the oil is hot, you wait for a few minutes, a couple of minutes maybe until the work. Then you have the chopped onion here. There is a 4 big size chopped onion. You can use it either white or red, either of them would be okay. Then once the oil is warm, you can fill it. Then you put the entire onion there. Then once you put the onion, you need to constantly stir it so that the onion does not burn. So it takes some time until you need to fry it until the onion is brown, golden brown color. So it takes probably at least 15 minutes to get that color there. So if you feel the oil is less, you can put additional oil if it's needed, because you need the oil to fry the onion. So I try to put as less as possible. So you need to constantly stir the onion or it will burn. You don't want to burn the onion, you want to make it very uniform golden color. So using the paste and put in the ginger garlic paste and stir it for. At the same time, you can actually put all the other spices. That's the cinnamon roll there, cinnamon stick. Put the cinnamon stick. Put the cardamom. The whole cardamom, put bay leaves and cloves, and this is the last one in there is the black cardamom there. And if you like to, you can put few green chilies to make it more spicy. Based on your taste. So you can see here it's burning a little bit, so put it more like a low medium, because it will start burning once you put ginger garlic paste. So now you need to constantly stir it, because the ginger garlic paste will stick to the bottom. So now you're getting is golden color base there. Put it in a very medium heat. And also same time you can put salt, basically suit to your taste. You can come back and put more salt if it's needed in the end, but now you can just put it depending on. Also I put pinch of red chili powder. And now we are ready to put chicken. Oh, sorry, I think I forgot. Let me put some tomato there. Right. Once you put tomato, then you have to maybe raise the heat little bit so that the tomato gets cooked. So you cook it until tomatoes are completely mixed with the onion and other base there. So once you are done, you can put the marinated chicken. This chicken has only thighs and drumsticks, marinated with yogurt and turmeric powder, salt. You can put. I don't want to put the whole thing, maybe too much. One more piece you can put. Same time I also put the peeled potatoes. Once you mix it properly, then cover it for the chicken to cook, but keep coming back and to make sure it doesn't stick in the bottom. You take the thing and put maybe 3/4 of water for cooking the rice. Put the oven in the high heat so that the water will start boiling. Then put salt on the water. So basically it will cook on its own, the water coming out of chicken. It will be cooked on those. So you don't need to put any water in this thing. So what I'm doing is boiling the water. So in the boiled water I put the soaked rice, already rice which has been soaked before. You can use I think I put more, so I just. So if the water is too much, then you can drain some water out. So I put cilantro leaves on the chicken curry there. So I'm going to move this to very low heat there so that I'm waiting for the chicken to boil. sorry, water to rice to boil there. And I spread the mint leaves here. Bring the heat to the low, and once you are done there, you basically transfer slow eventually the drained rice. Once you do that, bring it to very low heat there and cover it up. Once you kind of make it a spread it evenly and then cover it. Cover it for, you should need to keep it for like at least 10 to 15 minutes for the rice to cook and get soaked in the chicken soup there. That's pretty much it. Once it's done, we'll be ready to serve. So it's on very, very low heat for 10 to 15 minutes. We'll just keep it for rice to fully cooked and get mixed with the chicken and the rice. Okay, so on the top of that, we'll just put this boiled egg. Now it's ready to be served. So let's take it to the dining table there. Get a thing.
And the chicken is still soft, it's not dry.
Because it's marinated.
Juicy.
No, this is really good, huh?